Sawadika, Wandee Ratanapan. I am a teacher at Pakinnaka Thai Cooking School, Khaolak. With a passion for food, travel, and more than 10 years experiences as a Thai cooking teacher and Thai chef in my country and overseas, I have gained my cooking knowledge and cooking tips. Back to the time I was in New Zealand and Iceland, I had chance to explore Maori and Nordic food culture, as well as working in multicultural kitchen. It is time for me to take this opportunity to combine my experiences and my passion through my food to turn a beautiful moment in the kitchen to be a remarkable holiday experience. A day as a Thai chef, a deep introduction to Thai roots. Let's walk through this journey to inspire your sense of gastronomy.